A7 IV, guys, is arguably the hybrid king. But knowing and hearing these rumors that are circulating around about the A7V that's going to be releasing today, oh my God, I'm so excited. Let's talk about it, guys. All right. I mean, this kind of feeling, guys, reminds me of when I had my A7 III and heard about the rumor of a Sony A7 IV. I mean, I love my A7 III, the camera that I have here in my hand, and I am just having the same kind of excitement knowing that there's going to be a better version to this camera right here. Wow. But let's get straight into some of the rumor specs that they're having. One of the things that they're actually saying is they're going to be sticking with the 33 megapixels, guys. But not only that, they're saying that it's going to have a stack sensor. And what that means, guys, is that they're going to be having increased speed. I think it's going to be 30 frames per second with a 14-bit RAW. Wow. If that is actually true, I cannot tell you how excited I'm going to be, guys. And to know that they're also going to be upgrading the flip out screen, which is going to be, I think, the 4-axis tilt screen, where you can have it to the side, but not only to the side. If we go back to the A7 III, it has the functionality of having the screen right directly inside the body. As someone who photographs, you know, a lot of landscape photography and also people, that a lot of times I would really prefer to just have the screen right directly behind the camera, where I'm actually just looking down on the screen. But to know that I'm going to be probably having that articulating screen is just phenomenal, guys. One of the things I'm really looking forward to as well is having the 4K 60 no crop. I definitely want to have that, guys. And not only that, they're saying that when they go to 4K 120, that's going to be cropped. I'm not really a big fan of that, but I'm happy that they're going to be removing the crop if the rumors are correct. And based on what they're actually saying, that they're going to be using a lot of the technology from, I think they say, the A7R5 and also the A1 II. Hopefully some of that information is true, because having a little bit of that sprinkled into the A7V, I think is going to be a phenomenal camera. So if you're one of those persons who normally, when you're shooting videos, you want to go handheld, based on what they're saying, they say we're going to have a 8-stop IBIS, which is pretty good. I think that's, you know, you're going to have more stability of having the camera inside your hand versus having it on a, you know, gimbal or anything like that. So that would be a really good feature to be welcome. And they're saying that maybe they're going to be increasing the EV, which means they're saying that they're going to have like 5.6 million dots. We don't know. We just have to wait and see. So another part of the rumors that they're saying is you're going to be now having the 2 USBs on the camera, no more micro USB. I really hope that is true. I think they're also saying that they're also going to be including maybe a HDMI slot, the large one, not a micro HDMI. We don't know. We just have to wait and see on that. I have some notes here. They're saying that you're going to have one SD slot and one hybrid SD slash the CF Express. So anyway, guys, let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Are you excited as I am to be receiving the A7V from Sony? Let me know in the comment section below, guys, what you guys think. And yeah, let's wait a couple more hours and see what they have to announce. If you guys enjoyed this video, guys, smash that like button, guys. If you guys are new to the channel, subscribe for more, and I catch you guys in the next one. Peace.